Hello traders, today's Tuesday, November 25th. I'm going to show you something that's happening here on the chart, especially for the traders that have been following Day Trade to Win, and explain to you exactly how we can take advantage of the current market conditions. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So I put out a few videos recently. The most recent one I'm going to show you here on the chart. Take a look at it, where I recommended that if something very specific happens, we should be buyers and going long the market. And believe it or not, that's exactly what we have happening today. Right now, there is a buy opportunity as we speak. So today's November 25th. Go back and watch the video that I put out about a day or two ago, which outlines the method behind this madness. So you can see that the market is going and has been going lower and lower and lower. And now it's stopped and it's starting to reverse. One thing about markets is they love to test where they've previously traded. Look at the ATR, the average true range, right here. Just bring it up on your chart, whether you're using NinjaTrader or TradingView. The ATR is a free tool you can add to your chart with a setting of 4. And so I have this set on my chart, the average true range showing 136 points. So what that tells me is that every candle is moving at about 136 points, which tells me that I can go long for a profit target roughly about 100 to 130 points. Now, even if you took 50 points or 80 points, that's still a huge move, a huge amount of money to be made here. More importantly, what I want to show you is that turn around and wanting to test the highs that have previously been made. Here are the highs that have been previously been made. We're going to see this happen fairly quickly, especially as we get into the end of the year. So I have a tool here that provides the 50% marker. And today, believe it or not, we have that 50% from the highest high to the lowest low. It finally broke it, and now we're on our way up. We have a closing candle. The day is almost over. It's about 3:30 where I'm making this video on a Tuesday. And for those of you who are already long, there's a good amount of 20, 30 points already in your favor. So those of you who went long, you have the opportunity now. Tomorrow, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, we're going to see this slowly climb up. Remember, the goal is that it loves to test the highs and where it feels comfortable. Now, I don't know if the market's going to continue through them. I'm anticipating that there's going to be a pop, that once the market hits about 69.60, it'll continue higher for a little bit longer. How much distance are we at right now? $8,700. How many points is that? I can change that here. 174 points. Remember, the goal is 136 points. So we can see the amount of distance that we have. Now you can use the Sonic system to go long on every trade. You can use the Atlas line. You can use the trade scalper. You can use any of the Day Trade to Win methods, especially the Sonic system, the autopilot, and the roadmap. All of them, as long as they are indicating a long opportunity, take advantage of it. Now, is it only going to be straight up? I don't know, maybe not, but we could see something that goes like this. But ideally, this high is going to be tagged like a double top, and then expect there to be a pop to the upside once it breaks through it. The reason I say that is because all the sellers and the short sellers that have stops there are going to get triggered, and they're going to reverse. It's going to cause an immediate reaction in the opposite direction if you have that occur. There's a lot of traders that are going to see this as an opportunity. They're going to hit buy, which will fuel the market higher. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Get access to accelerated mentorship. Take advantage of the Black Friday sales that we have going on right now. Save a ton of money on our software, lifetime access. DayTradeToWin.com. I'll see everyone on the other side. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.